Alright, well I got my drone back. So basically about a month and a bit ago, I had an issue where the battery on my drone went down to 10%. And apparently if the battery on this thing goes down to 10%, it basically just auto lands itself. And so I had to very, very slightly choose between landing the drone in a lake and landing the drone in a set of tree branches. I went with the tree branches and one of the drone's arms snapped off. So for about 3 weeks, I was waiting on a billing issue to be fixed from the repair people. But once that actually got taken care of, they sent off the fixed drone, and I now have a drone again. So I think I'm just gonna spend this video just adding a couple minutes of the first drone footage I've had on Wonderlust in quite some time. So let's go take to the skies and see some cool stuff.